We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make dark chocolate-covered fruit bites. First, add 14 ounces of dried fruit to the base of a blender or food processor. Then, 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of nut or seed butter. This can be peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, sun butter, soy butter. They all work. Process until mostly smooth, scraping down the sides with a rubber spatula as needed. Then, scoop the mixture into 2 tablespoon portions onto a parchment-lined baking pan. If you use a portion scoop like we're using, it makes the job a lot faster and easier. Once done, use your hands to roll the fruit bites into balls. Your hands may get sticky throughout this process, so feel free to wash them as needed. The stickiness is going to vary depending on the dried fruit you choose to use and the amount of liquid in the peanut or seed butter. Once done, it's time for the dark chocolate. Melt 1 cup of dark chocolate chips in the microwave, melting in 30-second intervals and stirring in between. 30 seconds because chocolate can burn in the microwave. Next, dip the fruit bites in the melted chocolate. Use a fork to allow the excess chocolate to drop back into the bowl. When purchasing and selecting your dark chocolate, the higher the percentage, the better. Look for at least 60%, if not higher, in your grocery store. Continue to dip the bites into the dark chocolate until they're all covered. Next, optionally top your dark chocolate-covered fruit bites with flaky sea salt, crushed nuts, a sprinkle of cocoa powder, whatever you have in hand, and also to your taste. Refrigerate or freeze until the chocolate is set. In the freezer will be much faster, so if you're in a hurry, go that route. Check out the full recipe in the description. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.